My name is Mara Dedman, and I am an Amazon Robotics tech for reliability, maintenance, and engineering. For someone like me, it's a dream come true as a mechanic. I get to take stuff apart, fix stuff, and help deliver on our promise to not just the customers, but to our employees as well. Without us, the equipment wouldn't run. It would make everybody's job harder, and therefore we would not be able to deliver. Positions that I've had with other companies before in the past, I wasn't necessarily valued for the skills that I had or the person that I was. I was just a number to them, and being able to be here and feel like I'm part of a team, feel like I'm part of a bigger picture, and to be valued for who and what I am has been a dream come true.